Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Danielle. Today I'm going to show you how I plan to use Dave Ramsey's cash envelope stuffing electronic version. So I'm going to be trying the electronic version. Stick around, stay with me. Let me show you how I plan to implement this into my life. I got this, y'all.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Electronic version is just, I'm not carrying around that cash. I am not carrying around that cash. I talked about the pros and the cons in a previous video. So if you want to take a peek at that when we're done with this video, go on right back and check it out. But I will not be carrying around cash, and I will still be using my credit card. As I mentioned previously, I love getting that earning cash backs and earning rewards. So I will still be using my credit cards. So I'm going to show you how we're going to use the electronic grocery envelope right here. I'm going to use my envelope system as normal, and then I will decide my budget for the month of December, and whatever dollar amount that is, I'm going to take that and I'm going to stuff it in my envelope. So this is going to go in my envelope just like this. How we go shopping, we will drop the receipt inside the envelope. And as we drop the receipt inside the envelope, we're gonna jot down the dollar amount that was spent and just deduct that from the budget that we, whatever my husband and I agree upon. And as we shop and continue on, before we go to the store the next week, we're gonna look at our budget and see, okay, we have still whatever dollar amount. Let's just say we still have $200. So we go to the grocery store and we know that we cannot exceed $200. So let's just say we go and we spend $100. We're going to come back home, stick that receipt inside the envelope. That's our proof, that's our evidence. And then we're going to go ahead and jot the dollar amount down and deduct it from that amount. And we will do that until the end of the month is finished. And to me, this gives the exact same feeling, okay? It keeps you in control. You're still using envelopes and you're not traveling with that, bunch of cash, and you're still earning rewards from your credit card and earning cash back. And we're gonna do that for every bit of our expenses, from groceries, and I plan to do this for holiday shopping and gifts. So I'm going to have an envelope for the month of December, and that's gonna go for gifts. So we're gonna have a gift envelope. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you were somebody like myself who thought that you could not use the system itself because you didn't want to have the cash, or because you didn't want to have your credit card not being used, you want to earn the cash back, I hope that I simplified it, and I'm hoping that I showed you how you can use this and use the electronic version of it, and start along with me and give it a try with your grocery, and especially as we're approaching the holiday season, give the the gifts part as a try itself. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to share this video with a friend or two. And remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches until next time.